Today we're going to learn about applying and removing tags from people who signed up for a seminar. So what we're going to go into is we're going to find the campaign builder. I'm going to go down into Foam Roll Seminar. And you go down and you highlight over the number 2. You got to make sure that it's on reporting up here. And take note, this is Foam Rolling Seminar Landing Page Facebook. So you click on that, and that'll take you to, you have a list of contacts. Highlight both of them, and you go to that, and we're going to apply and remove tag. The reason why we're doing this is so we can send out a merge email to thank everyone who came to the seminar. So we're going to apply, we're going to click here to remove a tag. So the tag, remember, is attended the seminar. So let's signed up, attend foam rolling seminar. There's 3 of them there. It must be this one because they signed up on Facebook. So we're going to save that. We're going to remove that tag. Now we're going to apply another tag, and we're going to create a new tag, and the tag name is attended foam rolling seminar. Categories under attended workshop. I guess we can just say foam rolling seminar. Delete that there. And we're going to create this tag. Boom. So now we're going to apply this tag to these 2 people. Save and process this action. So now that's going to fix that. And there you have it. We applied the action sequence right there. Perfect. And that is it, my friends.